Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this dark gray cut crease makeup look. To start this look, I'm using a cool tone gray eyeshadow, and I'm using this to create the cut crease shape. Once I have the shape I want, I start to add more color and blend it out, but I'm trying to keep the blend very close to the cut crease, not going all the way to my eyebrows. And to blend this out further, I'm going to be using a cream color eyeshadow. I'm using this to diffuse the color and making it look more blended out. And then I'm going along the very edge of the cut crease with more gray. Then to cut the crease and to remove any excess eyeshadow, I'm using makeup remover and Q-tips. Then I'm going over the lid area with the L'Oréal Infallible concealer. Next, using the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be using the light cream colored shade for the lid area. Next, using a black eyeliner pencil, I'm creating a wing shape. I'm going over that wing with black eyeshadow and kind of diffusing it, making it a little bit blended out. Then I'm going underneath the eye in the waterline and right along the outside of it. And I'm connecting the bottom eyeliner with the top, creating a stronger wing on the bottom. Next, for the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to top this with false lashes. And that completes this dark gray cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.